Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving right into how to use UPBASE for coordinating logical excavations. As we all know, managing excavations can be a complex process, but with the right tools, it can be streamlined, and that's where UPBASE comes in. First things first, you'll want to set up your project on UPBASE. This includes inputting project details and adding team members. Now, the reason we do this is to ensure everyone involved in the excavation has access to necessary information and can communicate effectively. UPBASE's user-friendly interface makes it easy, reducing the time spent on admin tasks. Next up, we're going to use UPBASE's task management feature. Here, you can create tasks, assign them to team members, and set deadlines. This helps us because it keeps the team organized and ensures everyone knows what they're supposed to be doing. You can even add detailed instructions to each task, which can be particularly useful when specific archaeological procedures need to be followed. Once that's done, it's time to use the document management feature. Here, you can upload all necessary documents related to the excavation. This could be permits, maps, or even historical documents. Now, the importance of this step can't be overstated. Having all documents in one place, easily accessible by everyone, can save a lot of time and confusion down the line. Lastly, let's talk about the reporting feature. As your excavation progresses, you can update the status of tasks and create reports for stakeholders. This is crucial because it keeps everyone informed about the progress of the excavation. It's not just about what's been found, but also about the process, how the work is going, any issues encountered, and so on. Now that we've covered these steps, you should have a solid understanding of how to use UPBASE for coordinating archaeological excavations. Of course, there's a lot more to UPBASE, but these are the core features that will help you manage your projects effectively. And that's it. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Remember, effective project management is key to a successful excavation. Until next time, happy digging.